Here are some simple strategies you can use for your goals to create and maintain personal wealth. The first is to spend less than you make. And to maximize this effect, find ways to earn more while cutting expenses. Another strategy is not to leave savings sitting in a bank account earning little to nothing, but instead, put your hard-earned savings to work. People who save consistently often underestimate the power of compound interest, where you can earn interest on your money and then interest on the interest. If you invested $100,000 and received 10% return on your money, you will have at the end of year 1 $110,000. After year 2, you will have $121,000 because you will have earned a return on your principal and the interest. At the end of year 10, you would have a total of $259,374.25, of which $159,374.25 was a result of compound interest, your money making you money. Referred to as passive income, this is how wealth creation works, allowing you to spend more time enjoying life. To find out more about creating wealth, call us today